Fugitive road cop Kurt Fraser surrenders as his lawyer insists that his story will not change.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The attorney for on-the-run cop Kurt Fraser, who finally surrendered to the police on Sunday afternoon, May 5th, says that there are still heightened security concerns for her client, although he is less anxious than he was days ago. Fraser, who was implicated in the shooting incident of businessman Sheldon Daly, OC Junior Biggs, in Chedwin Park, St. Catherine, and the high-speed chase that ended in Spanish Town 2 weekends ago, reportedly turned himself in between 3:30 and 4 p.m. He had also expressed fear for his family's lives, but is reportedly much calmer now. Queen's Counsel Valerie Neita-Robertson said she was unwilling to disclose where her client is being held. The family are somewhere safe. I am in touch with them. They are safe for the time being, Robertson said. We understand that there have been threats, not directly to Fraser, and sufficient things are being said that would make us cautious and careful. The policeman, who was accused of being one of 3 reportedly rogue cops, along with Ramon Scott and the now deceased Rohan Williams, who allegedly murdered Junior Biggs, had claimed in an interview that he and his colleagues had chased after the alleged killers but came under attack by an off-duty cop on their trail. The vehicle in which the cops were traveling crashed into a AD wagon motorcar, and Kevron Burrell, a civilian, was allegedly shot dead at close range. Corporal Rohan Williams also died from gunshot wounds. Neita-Robertson said that she was awaiting word from the police on when 35-year-old Fraser would be interviewed, but insisted that he would give testimony consistent with his television interview. That is the truth, and it cannot change, she said.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.